Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good night's rest. And probably some of you are having school. But thankfully, I don't. As you know, a few months ago, I graduated. But, but let's get started. I'm going to be taking a look at the new Thomas and Friends My Busy books. This one is the latest, and it features Thomas, Nia, and Rebecca on the cover. Oh, you know, those two characters from Big World, Big Adventures everyone hates. Even though they're not meant to replace Edward and Henry. Some people believe that they replaced Edward and Henry. But hey, Edward and Henry are still seen in the show, just not as much as we used to see them. This includes a storybook, 10 figurines, and a playmat. Now, I didn't want this at first, but then this pretty much gave me an idea to make a video of. I wanted to give it a different take. But the main attraction here are the figurines and probably this playmat. So, the figurines we have here are Thomas, Percy, James, Gordon, Emily, Nia, Rebecca, Mavis, Rosie, and Spencer. And again, we got this playmat where you can create where you can recreate the storybook or the story from this book. But I'm not going to be taking a look at the playmat. The main attraction I'm going to be looking at are the figurines, if I could get them out. There we go. Okay, we got Thomas, sorry if it's a little blurry, just trying to get it to focus. We got Percy, James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor. Gordon. Oh yeah, these types of toys have squash tenders. Pretty much similar to Mini's Capsule Play Rail from Japan. Pretty much anything else. Emily, Yeah, as you may know, Emily does not have her number 12 here, despite the fact that she recently gained one. I think there's a bit of... Hang on. Yeesh. The company that made these toys did a pretty bad job. I could see a little bit of paint on the buffer beam. Right here. Not sure if you can see it, but I can. And Emily's right buffer is almost fading away. This is why I'm not interested in these types of toys. Here's that we got Nia. I'm sorry, folks. Face. Look at her face. Small face Nia. I'm sorry. This is just so damn funny. She's not that bad, to be honest. Although she tends to be... Oh, look at her. She's super long. I think that's probably based on her real basis. And here's Rebecca, another current member of the STEAM team, and oh boy, I could see some crude painting here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. Look at it. This disgusts me. What's even worse, that she doesn't have her tender. Although I do think it's a bit... Although I think it's trying to... I don't know, people. This model of Rebecca is pretty bad. And when I say pretty bad, I mean horrendously bad. Although the face looks pretty good, to be honest. And up here should have been navy blue instead of black. Okay, we got a Mavis. Just the same Mavis as before. She probably had a few changes. I'm not sure, maybe. Back. Rosie in her new livery. Look what I see here. Look what I see here. I see a dot on Rosie's nose. Oh my goodness. Her face is a little messed up. And now you know why I'm not interested in these types of toys. I only go for Trackmaster, One Railway, And probably just about it. I do like to take along as well, but that's not the point. Although I do appreciate her library, I think... Wait a minute. Oh boy. I see that. Very crude. And lastly, Spencer. He's not that bad, to be honest. Squash tender, like James and Gordon. Seems to be the only one of the probably good ones, maybe. I don't know. Out of all the models, Rebecca is probably the worst. But yeah, out of all the models here, Rebecca has to be the worst. And here's this playmat, like I said earlier. But I'm not dealing with it. Get these engines back in. And there we go. So that's the figurines. For those who no, as you may remember, Thomas and Friends was officially canceled due to the failure of the Big World Big Adventures rebrand, as you may know in my previous videos. It would not be returning for a 25th season, but instead having this god-awful reboot. Trust me, I've seen the first few episodes, and I'm not going to spoil it for you people. I hate the reboot too. And although it does look cute, just because it looks cute doesn't mean it's good. Just probably the same reason for bringing back old characters, like James, Edward, and Henry, to which All Engines Go Thomas referred to as those trains, which is extremely insulting. And the worst part is that they said it is based on a railway series by the Reverend W. Aldrich and created by Brett O'Croft. But guess what? That is way more insulting. All Engines Go has nothing to do with the railway series, and Brett O'Croft has nothing to do with the reboot either. I swear, it just pisses me off. All Engines Go should have been cancelled and just go back to CGI. Yes, people, I do agree with you. But anyways, hope you enjoyed my review on the My Busy Books. Sorry if there's a bit of noise. My fan's running because I need to keep cool. Again, hope you enjoy this. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video.